What's up? This is my intro because I'm supposed to have one. I'm Shanae Nicole, Nay Boogie. That's it. That's all. That's the intro. I had a whole video introduction and I think I lost it, but at this point we're still in West Virginia and we pulled over to look at the Canyon Rim overlook. So that is what this is. Y'all, so we out here still. We finna go in a cave. Clearly, I'm high. Just doing different things, like not trying to be confined to the house. We out here, okay? Keep up. All right, little babies, we here. We finna go in this cave. I'm excited. I'm a little hype. Alright, I had to come back real quick and say something because before we came in here, the man said that this is an active cave. Like he said this is still a very active cave. I don't know what the fuck that means. Like it's water dripping right now, but wait, what the fuck do active meaning? Like what we gonna see, like animals? Please go right and stay on the trail. Okay, that's pretty. Just act. I'm still stuck on this word. This man said active cave. Local cave facts. Did you know that there are 2,500 documented caves in the Greenbrier Valley with nearly 400 miles of mapped cave passages? I really want to ask, like, whose idea was it to, like, go through caves? Wow, that is pretty. I feel like I'm on National Treasure. Oh my gosh, it's like one of my, like, favorite movies, probably. Maybe, like, top 5. And, like, this is, like, legitimately dope. But whose idea? Like who decided? Like, oh, let's make money off this. Let's tour caves and shit. But look at us doing it, touring caves, walking through caves.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely got to do like day 1, day 2.
Look at that, y'all. Cool stuff.
And this is actually, it's about 45 minutes to an hour. That's how long it takes. Yeah, about 45 to an hour. And my phone just told me it's on 20%. But your girl was prepared because I got the battery pack in my pocket. I'm about to plug it up. Yes. I'm here. Well, in here, I don't have any type of service, but this looks open, kinda. So I'm gonna show y'all this. The Vanishes stream, if you listen closely, you can hear the sound of a stream. The stream flows down the right side of the room and disappears through a pile of rocks underneath the snowy chandelier. The underground course of the stream is unknown from this point until it eventually reappears on the surface at the largest spring in West Virginia, which is 8 miles away from Lost World Caverns. Wow, cave expedition. We offer cave expeditions that take you off trail 1.25 miles further into this cave. Crawling, climbing, and scrambling over rocks, mud, and water awaits you deeper into the cave where there are no lights other than the one on the helmet we will provide you. We will led by our expert cave guides on a 4-hour trip through passages with names like the Squeeze Box, the Long Trail, and the Birth Canal, so you can imagine the fun and adventure that awaits you for this. This is something that I would do.
This is so neat.
That I would do a cave Expedition, a wild cave expedition with a little helmet and a light on it. I sure would. 4 hour.
I got one
But look at that. Like, I'm really in a cave. Hey, girl. This is pretty dope. Like, my anxiety might be getting the best of me a little bit because I was thinking, like, what the fuck? Like, what if this cave just collapsed on us? Nobody gonna know. Like, we just gonna be roadkill, cave kill. Like, I ain't gonna say it to Mel though, because she would freak out for real, but. Like, I still am in disbelief that I am in a cave. I hope y'all can't hear me breathing because I'm breathing kind of hard right now. Goddamn. Okay.
I wish
a nigga would.
I wish a bitch would pull up.
Period. Because we at the wishing well. What are you talking about?
So,
Okay. This is the natural entrance of this cave. Natural entrance of it. Look at that. That booty. That ass. Oh, this is what they were talking about. Look up. You got one of your eyes. I'm so sorry. 12 stories above you. I heard you. So this is the natural entrance of this cave. But first of all, oh, y'all can see the water dropping kind of.
and she told me to look up because the natural entrance is up there.
It's 12 stories above us.
The shit fell in my eye and I thought I was getting a money shower. Money shower.
This girl's crazy.
Oh my God. Did I see that rain? I thought that was me.
Oh, I'm weak.
Like, why am I so ignorant?
I got a charger in my pocket.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Those are,
People are like, this bitch is ridiculous.
what is it? Ladder, a ladder. So I guess, okay, that answers my question because this is the natural entrance right here of this cave, and it's 12 stories up. So I was trying to figure out how they would get down here in this cave, but I'm guessing it's because of this ladder right here. So that answers the question.
So y'all, this is the last formation. You know, like Beyonce's formation. Okay, yeah. This formation has no name since it inspires many different images. Some use your imagination and see if you can come up. It says use your imagination and see if you can come up with a name. We greatly appreciate your visit to Lost World Caverns and hope this was a unique experience for you. So y'all, come on, subscribers. What we about to name this?
Some people see a rabbit, some see a ballerina. I see some rocks.
I'm gonna name this Big Booty Hoes.
Crime.
Yeah.
That's it, and that's all.
That's what it's giving.
Big booty hoes.
Like, cause it's just like it's
What is
out
that?
there.
Oh, water.
You ever seen a big booty hoe and it's just out there? I gotta be quiet because other people listening. They don't think I read you.
I'm trying to see where the booty
Look,
at.
right there. There go their booty. That big old booty. I know some of y'all gonna say you are so ignorant. I see a middle finger right there.
I see a penis.
I see a turtle.
That right there.
Where? This is not kid friendly.
It ain't, so don't watch it. Oh, the middle finger down there.
I see like some real long, cute ass.
The whole time it
it
looked like a bird or something.
That look like an angry rabbit. There was a
Oh, somebody
fish.
did say rabbit. But I'm trying to figure out who saw ballerina because I don't see that.
This waterfall right here look like me. You know when things get popping.
Bye.
Bye, y'all. Y'all see that rain down on me? Where's your love is on me, just the rain.
On me.
Let's take a selfie right here. Oh, hell no. We're ready to break this home.
What that girl say? I'm motherfucking tired.
We got to break this goddamn.
I'm motherfucking tired. Y'all, this is Virginia. Look how pretty Virginia is. Oh my goodness. This ain't that Petersburg, Richmond shit we be getting every day.
Okay.
Alright, we done veered off the highway again, y'all. Out here exploring and shit. We finna go to, Dag, what is it? Some bridge.
Did you put your GPS?
Humpback Bridge. Hey, little babies. We still out here adventuring and shit. We are 10 miles, like we just got into Virginia not too long ago. And we stopped at, this is called the Humpback Bridge. Bro, look at Mel. I'm weak. The kids over there in the water. We literally like we ain't gonna get home until the sun go down, cause we keep on stopping. Every time we see something, we stop. But that's what we do, right? We living. What the E mean? Oh, people are swinging in the water and stuff. Yeah. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.